got great student, okay? Okay, and I am teaching you number line. Now this number line we will not study in a in a very traditional manner. It will be something creative. Do you all love music?
Yes.
Yes. So we are going. I have brought these two things today. What is this? बच्चे बैल थोड़ी ना बोलेंगे. And this is it is a box. Right? Okay. Now in this number line today we are going to study addition. Okay. Now how are you all going to study is this? Suppose if I ring this bell one time, that means one time bell is +2. Understanding or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
One bell, 2. And if suppose it is 2 times then?
4.
2 plus 2? 4. That is +4. Are you ready?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's start.
Yes.
Okay. The pen, the chalk in my hand is over here. Come on. 4. 4? 2 times. I'm not the math teacher, sorry. 2 times. Okay. Now. Yes?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Now I want, ma'am, can I tell one student to come here and ring the bell? Yes? Please, ma'am. Please, student, come here, my dear student. Yes? Ring the bell. Your choice. As many times. No, not as many times. Come, please. You come, student. Take. +2, okay? Ring the bell. You start it. Start it. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready? Excited to ring the bell?
Yes.
Come on. Maybe नहीं, please, student, please. I know you are excited. That's it. That's it. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Did you both understand what was done in the class? Yes. Enjoy it. Yeah, sprouted above you.
I am sprouted.
Till now